Okay, this video is on embossing pockets.
Second pocket, highlight it, and change it to a different paint palette. Okay? Alright? And you can open this one in Impact 11254.
Okay, so talk us through.
Will you push the monitor forward a little bit? That way I can get on your side. Okay, so at this point, he's going to the browser. He's going to pull his program. Okay, now you want to click over on visibility palettes so you can see your K palettes. Alright, so now right click and turn everything off. So select none. Right click. Right click. Select none. Okay, now turn your skill profile on and the embossing pockets. There you go. Now skill profile. Now, come over here, highlight these three.
These three here?
Yeah. Select. Alright, now delete. Now what we're going to do is we're going to separate these two and mill with two different tools. Okay. So this one is K palette 15. So highlight the second one. Good. Now select your palette and change it to K16. Okay, so now they're separated. If you had additional pockets, you just go through the same procedure. Okay? Yep. So now at this point, you can plot. Okay? Now you'll want to switch the machine to Mgrav2 for steel counterplates. Okay, now you'll want to highlight your number. Copy and plot. Say yes. Okay. Now, we want to go back because since we erased some things, hit cancel. This is good. That way if it happens, we'll see. All right? So now, when you deselect or deactivate things, we need to do one other step. So hit plot.
Hold on, hold it over plot. Which one? Right there.
Okay. Now, select use palette visibility settings. And what that's going to allow us to do is only use the palettes that we have open at this point. Now hit plot. Okay. And now that's all we see. And now click OK.
You get that?
Yep. Okay. Now we're going to go to Mgrav2. Alright. Hit File, New. You say no because you do not want to save that program. It's already saved. File, Import. OK and import. Paste your program number there and open. Now the project is selected, so you want to press escape on the keyboard. Alright, now go to path generations, operations list. Now we're not milling any text on this plate, so you can delete that highlighted blue line, so click delete. And now select double click all, and you will enter or select the pallet you're going to mill. So you have a K15, click OK. Now for pockets, you will always select on your roughing, clear cut along contour. Okay, so now we will enter the depth of 0.62. Now we will set the tooling information, so we will click Edit in the toolbox, copy over, and we're going to use a 4mm tip diameter. No, this one, the tip diameter. The 6mm will always stay the same. .30 degrees.
Embossing pockets, 30 degrees, 4mm.
Good. Now OK and save to workpiece. Now we are going to select mill pocket for our tech object.
Sorry.
Okay. Good. Now that is complete for K pallet 15. Now we will set up K pallet 16. So double click all, select 16. We will select tool path operation, clear cut along contour for milling pockets. Depth at 0.62. Now we will enter our tooling information, so edit box. It's going to be a 4mm, 30 degrees, so copy the geometry bank over. Okay, OK to workpiece. And now for default, for your tech object, you're going to use mill pocket. Now we have set up our K pallets for milling the pocket. Now we need to set up a pallet to do the 2D outline, outer contour on the pocket. So for the next line, you're going to click, double click, and say 15 and 16 because we're going to group these two together. And on this tool path, we're going to use 2D outline to mill the outline of the pocket. So on our depth, we will use 0.01 less, so we will go 0.61. And we're going to enter 2mm 90-degree tool, so click Edit. Copy your bank over. And here, you're going to change the type, so click your arrow, yep, and you're going to select cylinder because it's a 90-degree tool. And you see how the tool changes here? Okay, OK and save the workpiece. And now we're going to do finish pocket. Now I want you to go back every time you set your tooling and verify all information is correct. So select this one, click. All right, so now we can see that we got clear cut along contour, 0.62 depth with a 4mm 30-degree tool, and we're milling the pocket. Click on 16. We can see we have clear cut along contour. Our depth is 0.62 with the 4mm 30 degrees and mill pocket. So now you can select the next process. 2D outline, because it's the outline of the pocket with a depth of 0.61. And our tooling, it's not correct. So we need to go back to edit. This is why we always verify. We need to change this to 2mm. Always a 2mm 90-degree tool.
This one here?
Yep. Okay, and save the workpiece. And we verify its finished pocket. All right, everything looks good. So lastly, select all. And these lines we do not need, so you will delete. Now click OK. Calculate the program. Do you want to save changes? We're going to say yes, because we're going to save it under a different name. Here, the customer is Edgewell. You're under the D drive, customer folder Edgewell, and in this box, we're going to type pocket. Right click and paste your program number. Click save. And we can see the pockets are being milled. Now click machine. Click test output. Estimated time 7 minutes 27.5 seconds, and we're going to check our tool distance. We will move the decimal place 3 positions to the left, and that tells us that we have 3.9 meters per tool. We do not want to exceed 4 meters on 35 Rockwell. Okay? You can click OK.
How many meters do we not want to exceed on 48 Rockwell?
I would go with 2.
2 meters on 48 Rockwell.
Click OK. Recalculate. Click yes. And now send the information to the controller. Click it until you see a spot splash. Okay? Now press the wheel, right click, hit form, and there you can confirm your program number. So that's setting it up for milling pockets.
Now how do we start it?
No, we've got to get the tooling and get them touched off and all that.
Okay. Is that another video?
I would.